my crash course for success. And what does CRASH stand for? It's an acronym. It's so easy to remember. Commitment, relationships, attitude, skill, and hunger. CRASH. 5 things that any person from any walk of life and any season of their life can use to be more successful in their personal and professional life.
In the day, Pop's home was a place to go. Load the truck up, hit the dirt road, jump the barbed wire, spread the word.
And I said, this is what I'm gonna do with my life. So I was hooked. I had found my purpose. And I passionately and persistently focused on that goal. And there was doors that were slammed in my face, and there was roadblocks, and I fell in love with rejection. I was like, I'm gonna do this. So your attitude affects your behavior, and your behavior over an extended period of time creates the consequences of your life. Give it a good kick. Okay, hit the snare drum there like it owes you money. Really good. I think you have some anger issues. Passion is the engine, and hard work is the fuel. You fuel that engine with hard work. And if you love what you're doing, it doesn't feel like you're working hard, which allows you to work harder, which allows you to attract more success to yourself. So that's the key. Find out the skills you need to master to be an expert at your chosen field. Passion is the engine. Hard work is the fuel. CRASH.